Yo, what's good, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, Double O Rello. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a prank on my little sister. I was really procrastinating on this prank because I didn't want to do it in my car, but hey, I gotta do it in my car. But yeah, I'm finna go get her right now. She's supposed to be getting her hair done around like 6, so it give me a perfect opportunity to do it right now. And it'll give me enough time to for it to dry up. It is currently, 3:41 right now. So she got like 3 hours so it could, you know what I'm saying, dry up. But whenever she get her hair done, we supposed to be doing like a little crumble cookie review. So stay tuned for that. And I'll see y'all in the next clip, you know what I'm saying, when she in the car. So yeah, I'm about to go grab her right now. And I'll see y'all soon, man. I'm not gonna record you. No. Bro, they want a live update, bro.
You better not
put this on there.
No, I'm not putting that on.
Put it on.
Stupid. No.
You better put it on.
No, why would I go
you better put it on.
No, cause like.
You better put it on.
I'm gonna slap that camera too. You better not record me.
All right, bro.
For my auntie, sister, kids. You better not record me.
On what?
For my auntie, sister, kids. You better not record me.
No, this is a little vlog. But yeah, guys, we at the car wash real quick. I had to wash my car real quick before I take this girl shopping. So.
Oops. Help, I'm being kicked.
What's good, man? What about this discount right here? Can I get this discount right here?
Water.
Yeah.
I don't know what you're trying to. Oh, so you just want water in there? That's it?
Yeah, just water only.
Yeah, I can do that.
All right, appreciate it. I had something in my throat.
Oh! I only ordered 2 items. Let's say What's nitrogen posted? Girl, I'm some FaceTime. You should not FaceTime nobody in school.
I'm undercover, bro.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah, that bad little boy.
Oh my gosh, she dyed her hair red.
Bro, put it on,
my
bro.
cousin, yeah, she came back. She typing.
Where that thing at? Where that hairnet at?
I don't know. It's not a hairnet.
Where that hairnet at?
Oh! What are you doing?
Wait a minute, bro.
Do not get me in that camera.
I'm gonna cut it off. I'm gonna cut it off. I'm gonna cut you off, bro. Dang, I don't care.
I'm not getting in that camera.
Okay, you gotta get in the camera. Hey, let me see this purse though.
Don't.
Wait. I don't want to see how much money you got.
Don't look in there.
Whoa, this girl got a lot of money.
No, I don't.
And then you already asked me to buy you, send you cash apps.
Because that was back then. I was broke. Why did you put my purse back there? First
Wait.
No.
No. Wait. Wait. Hey,
I need my purse.
Hey, you don't want to do it. You don't want to I'm trying to help you out.
No, you're not. Bro, I cannot get my hair wet.
You better put that thing
I
on.
cannot get my hair wet.
Put it on.
I cannot get my hair wet.
Hey, y'all see she trying to hit me?
Help me. Help.
Really?
I'm being kidnapped.
Quit saying that. Hey,
You better not roll the windows down.
I'm not gonna roll the windows down. It's just a vlog, girl. All right, Ace? All right, good.
And you bet not. You're not putting that.
Good.
I'm gonna put your phone right there.
No!
Grab this camera.
No!
Right there. I'm grabbing this camera. What are you doing?
Oh!
Rob, what are you doing?
Oh, no! Oh,
The seats is coming.
told you put the thing. I told you. Oh no! I told you. Ah! Why you hitting me? You just cuss.
What is wrong with you?
You know Buzz gonna see this.
Ah! What is you doing?
Bro!
Right here, we're so.
Look what she did!
You did that! Now look at these seats. It's suck. I'm not going in the mall. I'm staying in the car.
You is going in the mall. Bro. Your mom know. I had to post this. I was gonna do my mom, but her hair ain't done, so I gotta tell you.
What? My hair not done either.
But it don't matter.
Open it. Open it.
Open it. Oh no! Stop! Bro, what are you?
I know you're not just hit me. We need to dry these seats. This shit is wet.
Man, it's your fault. Now my camera. Oh my goodness.
Your fault. It ain't your fault.
Now my camera is wet. Man, this whole car freaking wet. I knew I should have never done it in my car.
He went to
Can you say subscribe to Double Orello? No. I'll buy you them Uggs. I'll buy you them Uggs.
I don't want the
What you owe? You want $200? Huh? Huh?
No. No.
Man. If you enjoyed this prank, man, make sure I give it a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? I had to prank somebody. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to your boy, man, Double O.
Unsubscribe to my brother.
Oh, whoa. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Now she acting petty, though. But yeah, man, I'll see y'all in the next video. And I am gone.